Ajit Pawar had made some startling revelations saying about the meeting between BJP and NCP stalwarts, and then the role of Adani, though the name was mentioned or not mentioned, but yes, obviously it was indicating that. Well, in 2019, when already the three-party government was in power, once I happened to meet NCP office, and at that time I got to know, I mean, even Ajit Pawar himself, who was present there, he told that with the fractured mandate that was there in 2019, BJP having 105 and all other three parties having over 50 seats, with NCP having 54 seats, and Uddhav Thackeray was adamant on having the chief ministership at least for 2.5 years. At that time, the NCP held a meeting. That's what Ajit Pawar told us. NCP held a meeting of all legislatures, and Sharad Pawar asked him, "Give me your opinion." Praful Patel and Ajit Pawar favored joining hands with BJP. That's what even we were told by Ajit Pawar. After that, Nawab Malik stood up and said, well, the Muslims feel more comfortable with Sena than BJP. So it's better that we go with Congress and Sena alliance. Of course, Congress, NCP and Sena alliance, in place of joining hands with BJP. And then we know what had happened for 2.5 years and all that. The press conference that I am saying was much after the 3-day government of Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar, and after that Uddhav Thackeray came to power and he became the chief minister. But now, as the claims are being made that even Sharad Pawar was, taking the name or whatever, that had a meeting with BJP leaders. So the fact is, his personal relations with anyone may be different. But as per my knowledge, Sharad Pawar never shared power with BJP so far in his career. I think I have given the perfect, clear-cut analysis of this. Hope you also accept what I have said. Thanks. Dhanyawad.